Every loaf begins here, rooted in the soil and sun. Precision machines gather what months of growth have prepared. Each kernel carries the promise of nourishment. Timing in the field defines efficiency down the line. The harvest changes hands, but not its purpose.
Quality is protected from the very first touch.
Before travel, the harvest rests and stabilizes. Moisture decides how grain survives the journey. From field to factory, scale demands control. Protection continues beyond the farm. The journey outward has begun.
What leaves the land will soon feed a city.
This is where bread truly begins.
From open land, the harvest moves toward demand.
Infrastructure guides food where it's needed most. Scale demands coordination beyond the farm. The city's bread begins behind these walls.
Every delivery is logged, every load traced.
Order keeps thousands of loaves on schedule. Weight confirms what the field delivered.
Flow inside begins with direction outside.
Precision prevents waste before processing. The harvest meets the factory air. Gravity does the first work. Now the factory takes over. The journey shifts from miles to machines. Before bread can rise, purity must be assured. The factory removes what the field leaves behind. Air becomes a tool of precision. Invisible threats are stopped silently. Only uniform grains move forward. Waste exits so quality can advance. Light judges what eyes cannot.
Milliseconds decide the future of each kernel.
Consistency is now controlled. Clean grain rises to its next purpose. Even the air is refined. Human oversight completes the check. Now the grain is ready to become food. This is where grain transforms into foundation.
Pressure begins the change.
Strength reveals what lies inside. Every fraction finds its path. Separation refines the result. Nothing is wasted, everything assigned. Refinement is a gradual discipline. Technology watches every grain. Air carries the future forward. Here, volume meets consistency. Precision defines every batch.
Ingredients become something alive.
This is the moment bread is born.
What was mixed must now be shaped.
Time becomes the next ingredient. Here, yeast begins its quiet work. Growth happens without force. Uniformity begins with division.
Every loaf starts the same.
Shape creates structure.
Rest prepares them for form. Texture is carefully guided. Identity takes its final form. Thousands move as one. Patience shapes the crumb. Now, heat will finish the story. Now, automation takes full control. Heat transforms structure into sustenance.
Every second is calculated.
Bread bakes while the line never stops.
The aroma signals completion. Automation protects speed and safety.
Nothing stands still.
Cooling prepares bread for handling.
Even the inside is measured.
Perfection is enforced silently.
Uniformity meets demand. Thousands of cuts, one result. Automation hands off to the final stages. Assembly begins where precision meets pace. Sealing protects freshness for months ahead. Timing is engineered to the millisecond. Gentle handling preserves the crumb. Freshness is locked in. Every loaf carries its history. Safety checks never stop. Consistency earns approval. Standards are enforced without pause.
Products adapt to how cities eat.
Protection adds strength for travel. Human eyes confirm machine work. Assembly completes the product. The city's bread stands ready. Even the finest machines bow to science. Random checks ensure uniform excellence.
Water balance defines shelf life.
Every loaf breathes evenly.
Exact size maintains customer trust. Safety is a law. The factory never breaks.
The human touch validates technology.
Redundant systems catch what's unseen. Freshness is always double-checked. Time is measured before it reaches tables.
Science signs off on every batch.
Lab tested, production approved, ready for the city.
Organization prepares bread for the next journey.
Protection ensures stability during handling.
Every loaf has its place before departure.
Tracking is as vital as baking.
Preparation makes dispatch seamless.
Precision guides every arrival and departure. Speed meets safety on the dock.
Every shipment is verified before it leaves.
Security accompanies every journey. Bread is on its way to feed thousands.
From factory to city, logistics are seamless.
The city's bread arrives where it belongs.
Every loaf now waits for hands and hearts.
The journey within the factory is complete. Every loaf is now part of a larger journey. From factory floors to city streets, logistics never pause. Bread reaches distribution hubs, ready to feed communities.
And this is how modern factories produce bread from start to finish.